So you want to ride a bigger bike. You see them on the road, big cruisers, powerful tourers, adventure bikes that look ready for anything. The allure is real, more torque, highway comfort, and a commanding presence. But a bigger bike isn't just a larger version of your starter motorcycle, it's a different beast. The most immediate difference: weight. 400 pounds feels nimble. 800 demands respect. Every input is amplified. At low speeds, mistakes are less forgiving. The challenge is both physical and mental. You must recalibrate your instincts and muscle memory. Don't try to muscle the machine. Learn to dance with it. Use physics, balance, leverage, momentum to your advantage. The bike wants to stay upright. Your job is to guide it, not fight it. This is a shift from managing a bike to truly guiding it. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, replacing intimidation with technique. Every confident big bike rider started where you are, excited, a little nervous, but ready to learn. They practiced, built confidence, and mastered control. You can too. The goal isn't just to ride a bigger bike, but to master it, feeling as comfortable as you do on your current ride. Ready? Let's begin. Preparation is everything before you get on a big bike. Start with your gear. High quality, well-fitting helmet, jacket, gloves, pants, and boots are essential. Good gear protects you and keeps you comfortable and focused. Your focus is your most valuable asset. Next, your mindset. Leave your ego behind. Approach the bike with humility and a willingness to learn. You're a beginner again, and that's okay. Your first goal is comfort with the bike's weight and controls, not speed or distance. Practice in an empty parking lot. Set small, achievable goals. Now the pre-ride check: TCLOC, as tires, controls, lights, oil, chassis, stands. Check tire pressure. Even a few PSI off can make handling tough. Test brakes, clutch, lights, and signals. Check oil and look for leaks. Make sure stands retract properly. This routine isn't a chore. It's your ritual for safety and connection with your machine. By the time you get on, your gear, mind, and bike should all be ready. Eliminate variables so you can focus on learning control. This is the foundation of mastery. Scene transition. Now approach the bike. Stand on the left, grab the handlebar, and apply the front brake. Swing your leg over and lower yourself onto the seat with control. Both feet on the ground, feel the weight. Find the balance point. Use your hips and thighs to gently rock the bike side to side. Don't use your arms to hold it up. Your legs and core are stronger. Practice finding that upright, weightless spot. This skill alone prevents most low-speed drops. To lift the bike off its stand, straighten the handlebars, push with your legs and hips, and guide it upright. Reverse to put it back on the stand. Repeat until it feels natural. This phase is about building a physical relationship with your motorcycle. Don't rush. Mastery starts at a standstill. If you can't confidently handle the bike with the engine off, you're not ready to ride. Take your time. This is your foundation. Get this right, and everything else becomes easier. The parking lot is your dojo. Walk the bike in neutral, engine off. Practice moving and stopping smoothly. Feel how the bike leans as you turn the handlebars. Start the engine. Find the clutch friction zone. This is your key to low speed control. Feather the clutch until you know the engagement point by feel. Practice riding as slowly as possible, using clutch, throttle, and rear brake together. Keep your head and eyes up. Look where you want to go. Progress to wide turns, then figure eights. Combine clutch control, throttle, rear brake, and proper head position. Look over your shoulder in turns. Push on the inside handlebar to initiate lean. Keep your body upright or slightly weighted on the outside peg. Don't rush. Smoothness is the goal. Smooth inputs make a big bike feel light. This is the secret to control. Your bike only does what you tell it to do. The three most important inputs: vision, body position, and controls. Where you look is where you go. Look through corners, not at obstacles. Your body is a tool for steering and stability, not just a passenger. Initiate turns by pressing the inside handlebar and shifting weight to the inside peg. Keep your upper body relaxed, arms loose, elbows bent. Avoid a death grip. Tension makes the bike unstable. Use smooth, deliberate inputs on throttle, brakes, clutch, and shifter. Abrupt moves upset a heavy bike more than a light one. In a perfect turn, eyes look through the corner, press the bar, add inside peg pressure, maintain steady throttle, and guide the bike out. Don't fight the bike, guide it. Use vision, body, and controls in harmony. That's how you master a big bike. Once you've mastered low-speed control, it's time for speed. A heavy bike is most stable on the open road. The faster you go, the more the bike wants to stay upright. Start on a straight, clear road. Gently accelerate to cruising speed. Notice how the bike soaks up bumps and feels planted. At speed, small handlebar inputs are all you need for lane changes or curves. Practice smooth lane changes. Look, signal, press the bar, and glide over. Stay relaxed. Tense arms make the bike twitchy. Trust the machine. Guide it with calm, clear inputs. Braking from speed, use the front brake progressively, feeling the weight transfer. The rear brake supplements and stabilizes. Practice until smooth braking is automatic. Build confidence gradually. Expand your comfort zone with each ride. Ride at a comfortable pace, leaving a buffer for surprises. Confidence comes from skill, not speed. The real world isn't a perfect parking lot. Uneven ground, gravel, slopes. These are real challenges on a heavy bike. Always stop with the bike upright and scan for safe footing. Park facing uphill in first gear and back into spots when possible. For tight maneuvers, get off and walk the bike using the duck walk. Lean it against your hip for control. There's no shame in moving your bike by hand. Smart riders do it all the time. In slow, heavy traffic, create space, use your friction zone, and avoid constant stops. Keep your head on a swivel, scan mirrors and blind spots. Be smooth and predictable. Every ride is a chance to refine your technique. Learn from mistakes. Everyone has close calls. With practice, these skills become second nature. Soon, you'll just be riding.